Alright guys, so this is going to be number 7. We're going to go ahead and open it up and review what's in. Okay, so we got once again one of those brushes that don't have any number to it. This looks like it could be like a 8 or a 10, but well, I'm leaning with the 8. This is 30 milliliters of monomer. Doesn't say if it's MMA free, but it's only EMA is only the only monomer that's is legal. This is 10 grams of pink, I'm guessing. 10 grams of, this is either clear or white because it has no name. And this is 10 grams of beige or nude. So let's open these up and I'll be back. As you all saw, this one did not come with any forms. So it just basically comes with this. So we're going to use one of my full wheel tips in my Ready Guana hand, and we're going to test these colors out. So let's see. Let's start with this. Let's see what this is. Clear. And like I told y'all, these brushes are awful. Let's see if I can bring you guys up a bit. These are awful, awful brushes, y'all. Let's see if we can pick up a bigger one. This powder does not polymerize well. And I'm going to try to make it a wetter bead. Maybe that will help. It is not that crystal clear, as you can see. Let's try the pink. I said a wetter bead, so let's try the pink. Normally when you only tap off a little bit of the liquid, it will you know, be more runnier, and you can pick up a bigger bead. But with this brush, it's awful. Like, it does not. Okay, so if you guys can see, can y'all see that was pink? Excuse how my nails look, y'all. I gotta do myself a pedicure. But I've been busy, so busy, doing so much stuff. You know, I just passed and so much going on. So, but I can't really tell. So that pink is just like, okay, no, let's pick up a better bead. Okay. Yeah, this, and this is the cheapest one I purchased. I think this one was like $5. This set was like $5 to get off of Temu. Ooh, y'all. This is a no for me. I'm sorry. This is definitely going to be this little set. Is a no for me. I don't like this beige either. Can y'all see that? The color of that beige. I'm not trying to ombre it, and I just need it to flow in, and I'm trying to see how it flows. See if I can get a big bead. Because that still has, I barely tapped it. And it, see, it's not polymerizing. Okay, now let's do it without even taking any out. Y'all see that still drip? I didn't bounce it off or anything. Now that will be considered a wet bead because it fell right off. So let's tip 1, 2, 3. See if we can get it to polymerize on the brush. It won't. Or it's going to take a while to polymerize. Yeah, it's taking a while. Let me try to hold it steady so you guys could focus. Now it's polymerizing. So it does take a while. That's the catch. It takes a while. And then it lays better. So this is definitely a slower acrylic powder, and it's a no for me. I'm sorry. I'm used to Young Nails speed. I can't deal with a slow powder acrylic system. I can't deal with it. But yeah, these are the colors. This is the clear. Let's see if you guys can see it. See if it'll focus. Focus. Why it looks so blurry? Is that just my end? Hold on. So that's the clear, the pink, and the nude or beige, you want to call it. So this is definitely going to be one for a giveaway if anyone wants it. So once we get to 500 subscribers, we're going to be starting to give out those acrylic kits, and this will be one of them that we're giving away. May not be the first one, or we'll see how it goes, but there's so much more stuff to review. So of course all those things will be given away if I don't like them. But this set here is going, I'm gonna say about for a beginner, two out of 10. But it is the cheapest one. It was $5 or $6, something like that. But make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and there's going to be more videos to come. Talk to you guys later.